Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coach KoKo and I love volleyball. So much so my channel is filled with tips, tricks, hacks, and anything you could ever need to know about volleyball. So today I want to talk about how to know what you want to do, or better yet, things you should know before you pick your volleyball position. Let's get right into it. Watching my channel for a while, I talk a lot about volleyball and figuring out your volleyball position, figuring out what you want to do with volleyball, and figuring out volleyball in general. So a lot of you guys come to my channel knowing you want to be a libero, knowing you want to be a middle, knowing you want to be an outside hitter, but what if you don't know at all? I mean, what if you're completely clueless, you don't know what you want to do, you have no idea how to determine what you want to do? This video is for you. So back in the day when we were trying out for volleyball, we were playing volleyball, most of the time your coach would just tell you, hey, you're tall, you're gonna be a middle. Hey, you hit hard, you're an outside. Hey, you're shorter, you're gonna be a libero. But those days are kinda long gone. Now you have a better chance of specializing in something you want to do early, especially if you start working on developing those skills in the beginning. So here's tip number one. If you know that you want to play a specific position, I would start specializing on those skills early. If you want to be a setter, start working on your hands early. If you know you want to be an outside hitter, start working on your approach and developing your swing early. You want to pass? Start working on your passing early. If you get a greater foundation of skills, when the coach is ready to recruit or the coach is ready to place you in positions, you already have a foundation which already puts in their mind that you're probably going to be a good candidate for that position. So build that foundational skill for the position that you think you want to try out for. I think that I always want people to be a well-rounded player. That's great, but also being well-rounded is the main goal, but you might want to have a little bit of an edge forward in that specific skill and position that you're trying to go for. Tip number two. I highly suggest you watch footage of players that are playing in different positions. If you're new to volleyball, which a lot of you guys on my channel are, you might not even know what the positions are. And I'm gonna go over them really quickly. Here are the different volleyball positions you have to choose from. You have the outside hitter, the middle blocker, the right side, the libero, the setter, and yeah. So those are the different volleyball positions that there are. If you haven't and you don't know the volleyball positions, here's this video right here that talks about each of the positions and how to choose the right one for you. This video is talking about things you should know before that, but if you're still confused, go and check out this video right here. I promise it will really explain everything. But you should really watch footage on different people playing different positions so that way you can get a better idea of their job. Every person who plays volleyball has a job. Everybody volleyball position has a job. We all have a specific role when we're on the court. I know when you're playing volleyball in PE, which is a lot of you guys' first experience with volleyball, it's kind of like a round robin. Everybody kind of does everything. You rotate around, everybody's doing everything. But volleyball as a team sport isn't like that at all. Outside hitters, their main job is to smash the ball. Setter's main job is to control the flow of the ball. Libero's main job is to pass the ball to the setter. Everybody has a job, so get more familiar with those jobs so you can better determine what job you want to sign up for. Number three, I highly suggest you look for a mentor. Now this might be a little bit harder than it is easier because a lot of you guys might be shy, you might be nervous, you might not know anybody who plays volleyball, but look up for a mentor. That means somebody who's played on the team before, somebody who you know plays volleyball, your cousin plays volleyball, your mom used to play volleyball. Talk to them about their experience playing the position that they did. I never want you to get into the situation where you're playing volleyball and you realize that you're playing a position you no longer have passion for, you're not passionate about at all, it wasn't your passion in the first place, and then you're stuck in it. You see what I'm saying? So I want you to find someone you can talk to about their experience. If you know a setter, say, hey, what's your experience as a setter? What do you really like being about a setter? What is the highs and lows of being a setter? So that way you get more information on if it's something you want to do long term. That way it can give you a better idea of how to find the position that you want to do and make your decision a lot easier. Communication is really important, and the more people you talk to, the better opinions that you get, or the more well-rounded opinions that you can get. I really hope that these tips help you when finding your volleyball position for the first time. If you have any tips for somebody about the position that you play, drop it in the comments below so you can share, we can start a conversation. I really hope that you liked this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.